Hi there, welcome to my channel. I recently did an unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, which is Samsung's budget mini tablet that has an 8.7-inch screen. So far, I'm enjoying it, but for many people who get new electronics, two essential items usually follow: a screen protector, and I've already installed the one shown here, and the second item is a case or some sort of protection for the rest of the item. And I actually took a gamble on this case shown here because it only had one rating, 4 out of 5 stars, but is also one of the cheaper cases with a built-in cover that I saw on Amazon for only $11.99. So this item wasn't sent to me for a review. I just went out and found the cheaper priced accessories with virtually no ratings on Amazon for the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. And so far, this case seems decent enough. This one has a fun name at least, Fintai. I kept calling it Finite when I first opened it up, but you can definitely tell it's from one of the cheaper price sellers on Amazon because of the packaging. Just a plastic bag with some information, but hopefully this item does hold up and protects the Samsung Galaxy A7 Lite. We can see the magnetic cover in action here. Unfortunately, it's not fancy enough to sleep or wake the screen when open and closed, but for our needs, we just needed something with additional protection when this is thrown inside a bag. This tablet is also going to be mostly sugarberry smashes. That's why we got this little mint green color. So it's a really cute color. Goes nicely with the black, but as you can see, the steps right here, they want you to peel off these little plastic coverings on the inside and outside. So we'll get that taken off, and let's see if we have a really clear crack-free screen. And so far it looks good. Let's get the other side off. I sped up this portion of the video because it actually took me way longer than I thought it would, and it is nice and clear. You can actually see that there's some holes for, I guess, ventilation in the back and the top. And one thing that I've noticed is that each corner has a thick bumper, so if I were to drop this on any edge, it should help protect it. The back clear portion is made out of hardened plastic, and I can't wait to get the tablet in there to see how it looks. So far it looks like a nice fit. There isn't much of a struggle trying to get each corner in there. I've had cases before where I had to pry it open a bit just to fit my phone or tablet in there. Fortunately for this case, it just snaps right in. The magnetic case is working nicely, and surprisingly, with the screen protector that I've already put on, it still fits nicely within the case. So here's the back side. It's a nice color. I love how the colors just contrast just a little bit, and if we put some sort of decal or sticker on the back, that's gonna look pretty awesome. The camera is like set flush within the case now, so it's not protruding anymore, so I like that protection as well. As we look at the bottom, each cutout is nice and precise. The 3.5mm jack, USB-C cable, microphone, and one of the speaker grills. The right side does have button extenders, the squishy looking kind, so I'll test those out, and fingers crossed that they're not hard to press in. Here's the top, nothing too special here, just another speaker grill. This does have dual speakers, and let's open it up and try out the buttons. The top button is for power and lock, and thankfully it's easy to press in. I've had other cases where you have to dig your nail in there just to lock the screen, and the buttons below are the volume up and volume down, and those are easy to press too. So squishy but easy to press. So far the case seems well put together. The buttons are easy to press. The tablet feels protected, and I'm a little sidetracked, but I love how Samsung has these dynamic lock screens. Look at all those doggies. So moving on, and there's one additional feature. If you roll up the front cover, it actually doubles as a stand. So I'll demonstrate it a couple more times and actually change the viewing angle to see what it looks like near eye level. And overall, so far, for about 12 bucks, this isn't a bad case, and I think that 4 out of 5 star review is pretty just, so I'd give it 4 out of 5 stars as well too, and I give it my thumbs up. For those interested, I'll drop a couple links down below for these accessories, and if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to check out these others. Otherwise, if you liked hanging out with me, consider subscribing, and for those who want to support the channel a bit more, check out that join button, and maybe you'll see your name at the beginning or end of my next video. I'll see you all soon. Bye.